Hi, mathematicians. This is going to be part two of our video because my first video, the alarm went off on my phone and it turned off the video. So we were in the middle of discussing how you organize your numbers from greatest to least. So I started off by saying we want to look at the tens place, right? So this number, right? So we're going to look at this has a 1 in the tens place. This has got a 2 in the tens place, 3 in the tens place, a 3 in the tens place, a 2 in the tens place, and this is just 8 ones. So we know right now by looking at these cards, the 3 in the tens place are going to be the biggest numbers. So now we have to look at the numbers in the ones place. So we have a 7 and a 1. And we said, well, look, 7 is this many and 1 is this. So 37 is my biggest number. And because I kind of did all that work looking at the numbers that had 3s in their tens place, I know that 31 is going to be next. So 37 is my biggest, but then 31 is going to come next. And I'm going to slowly go down to my smallest number. 37, 31. So now I'm going to look to see what's my next set of big numbers. So I see that I have a 14, which is, a big number, but there's numbers that are bigger. There are these two numbers that have 2 tens in them, 24 and 29. So if I look, and I could even write on these cards, they're yours forever, right? I can even make a 10 frame. This is 4, and this is 9. If I wanted to, I could also draw my tens. I could just do a line for tens. That's called a quick 10. So this is 24 and this is 29. 29, after I drew it out, visually does look bigger, right? So 29. So I'm putting these in order from greatest to least. 37 is the biggest. 31, 29, and next is going to come 24. So now I have 14 and 8. Well, let's take a look at these. I know the number 8 is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the number 14 is going to have 1 10 tower and 4 ones. So I can tell that the number 14 is bigger than 8. So 14 is going to come, and 8 is going to be my smallest number. So I just put card set 2 in order using tens and ones and my strategies of knowing about place value. I just put these in order from greatest, the biggest number, to the smallest. 37, 31, 29, 24, 14, and 8. And I can fill that out. So I want to make sure I'm using my correct, but I have that visual picture. Greatest to smallest, greatest to least. So I can write down 37, 31, 29, 24, 14, and 8. And now I can use that strategy that I used before. Because if I have these already from greatest to least, if I just flip them, they're going to be from least to greatest. 8, 14, 24, 29, 31, and 37. And I'm going to prove this. I'm going to do my expert careful counting. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when I'm counting, my next number should be 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Perfect. And I can write them down now from least to greatest. 8, 14, 24, 29, 31, 37. All right. So, boys and girls, give this a try. You can, we did 1 and 2 together, so you can try 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. But if you need any help, feel free to email or call Mrs. Pruitt, myself, Miss W. We are so happy to help you. All right. I'll talk to you later, mathematicians. Bye.